Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you guys how to make spaghetti and meatballs. First of all, get a tray, put in our tomatoes, paprika, pepper, onion and garlic. Pop it into the oven and grill it for about 30 minutes until it's almost like burnt. Then the next step is blending it. We're not going to blend it to be too smooth. Then add some fresh thyme and just mix all that together. And for our meatballs, we have our minced meat, salt, black pepper, parsley, oregano, and Worcestershire sauce. Then you combine that together and we add 1 tablespoon of egg. Key thing here is not to over season your meatball so it doesn't get too spicy. And once that's done, we'll just roll it into balls, set it aside to marinate for a while. And get a hot pan, add some oil and fry the meatballs. We just want to fry the outer layer until it's like dark and a bit crispy. The inside isn't going to cook now, but we're just trying to get that crispy outside layer. Then we take it out, add some butter to the same pan, and then we're going to saute our red onions for just some few seconds. Once that's done, we'll take our tomato mixture and add it to the same frying pan. Just stir that for some few seconds. I'm going to take back our meatballs inside, season our tomato base with salt, Italian seasoning, black pepper and spaghetti water. So that's like the water gotten from the already boiled spaghetti. You need to add a lot of water, cover it, let it simmer so the meatballs can cook inside. After that, take out the meatballs, add some cooked spaghetti, give that a stir. Then we would add some spaghetti water or any form of stock you have. Then put back our meatballs, let it simmer for about 5 minutes. And after that, get some fresh basil and garnish.